Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. You need to start by going into Play Store. Then tap on this search bar and type in DevCheck. Oh, I don't know what happened. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and tap on Open. Thanks to this free app, you can learn all the information about your devices, dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!